ChatGPT can now design anything using Canva plugin. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your ChatGPT account. In this video, I will be showing you guys how can you enable Canva plugin and use it. First, you will need to click on your email address. Click on this option, settings and beta. Now head towards the option beta features. Now enable for this option plugins. After you do that, click on this option of GPT-4 and then click on this drop down. Scroll all the way down, you will find the option of plugin store. Click on it. Now search for Canva plugin and install it. After you do that, go back. Now click on this drop down, you will be able to find Canva plugin. Enable it. After you do that, now you are able to use it. Canva plugin will assist you in creating designs using Canva's platform. You can search for various Canva templates based on your needs. Whether you are looking to create a poster, an Instagram post, a birthday card, or any other design, Canva plugin can suggest templates for you to start with. All you have to do is provide a prompt. Here I have asked to create a new design template for my clothing store for the summer sale. And you can see that it is creating templates based on my requirements. You can go through the template examples it has provided, and if you are interested in any of the template, you have to click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now from here, you can easily customize this template. Likewise, also you can ask for the video. Here I will be giving prompt to create an Instagram reel video to promote my makeup products. And you can see that it is providing different templates options that can be used for Instagram reel. If you are interested in any of these, you have to click on it in this way. And from this page, you can easily add your photos and videos to this template and upload it as an Instagram reel. So this is how you can enable and use ChatGPT Canva plugin. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.